So I think maybe she'll take us with them.
What's that?
To eat. She's gonna take
To go
us.
to Chipotle? Yeah, absolutely.
Next up to win is Sequin. I love that little walk up here. That was awesome. Now, for a lot of people, the most amazing thing that could ever happen to them is to be here in the spotlight on Cash Explosion, winning thousands of dollars. So that'll be your top. But your number 2 might be tap dancing.
Yes.
Where?
Madison Square Garden.
Madison Square Garden.
Awesome.
So tell us about that.
In the mid-'70s, early '80s, I had that fire feet. I was a tap dancer in New York. I took lessons with Gregory Hines and Henry Latang.
Wow.
And I've done a lot of amazing things, so I'm grateful for that.
That is amazing.
Have you ever taught tap lessons?
I've taught locally in Columbus for the last 16 years, and that's what my money's going to be for. I need some upgrades to my business, need a new dance floor.
Well,
cool.
I mean, this looks like a decent dance
this is
floor.
pretty cool.
And I have never tapped before. Can you give us a quick lesson?
This is a 30-minute show. You going to keep up?
Yeah, okay.
Show us
All
the
right,
basics.
Let's do it.
all right.
Let's do it. Here
Let's
we
do
go.
something easy, okay? And we're going to transpose it, okay? Right
Okay,
side,
we're going to
left side.
transpose it, everybody.
All right.
We're going to transpose it.
Because we got to
Whatever
shorten
that
this
means.
down for you, okay?
Okay.
Arms diagonal. Put that heel up, teapot, turn it over.
I've already
Switch
pulled a
it.
hamstring.
Oh, switch it. Good job. Other side. Oh, wait a minute. Oh!
Show me up.
Are we trying to have a dance?
You don't even need me. I'll just leave. I had no idea Alissa knew how to do that stuff.
All right. Where did David go?
Oh,
Come
you guys
on,
don't
Jack.
even need me up there dancing all the. We didn't even rehearse that, and Alissa just took off with it.
I was inspired by Sequin here.
That
She
was
pretty
impressive.
amazing.
Well,
Give
with a
it up
name
for
like Sequin, how do you not end up at Madison Square Garden, right?
All right, Sequin, we want to get that tap dance studio all spruced up. Let's win some big money.
All right. For my oldest girl,
14,
for my baby girl,
17.
and my handsome son.
All right, 4.
Right.
Okay. Let's
All
see
right,
which
we need
kid
some
you like the
doubles.
best.
We need some bonuses.
What's behind 14? $2,100.
All right. Bonuses,
Still looking for
doubles.
bonuses. What's behind the 17?
Give me something. All right, that's good. Bonus doubles.
She's asking for a bonus or a double.
Bonus doubles.
Is it behind 4? What's there? 5,000.
There we go.
Sequin. That's $9,800.
That's right.
Congratulations. Before the show tonight, a toy Jeep was placed inside one of these boxes, numbered 1 through 15. After the boxes were carefully sealed, each Jeep participant chose a box and took with them the number of that box. Whoever chose the box with the Jeep hidden inside is our winner. Welcome back to Cash Explosion, where we are about to find out who has won our Jeep giveaway. Inside this envelope is the winning number. So it's time to see which one of you is holding its match. Are you guys ready? Player 8, John Stuss, you're our winner! Woo-hoo! You won the Jeep! You won the Jeep! Get on it! Woo-hoo! You won the Jeep!
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Woo-hoo! Give us a wave! We're rolling! We're rolling!
All right, Alissa, what are you making for the audience?
These are my melted snowman cookies.
Okay.
See, this is the snow.
Okay, you're making these? Mm-hmm. Is that glue? That's glue, right?
No, David, it's icing.
No, that is definitely a glue bubble right there.
No. And this is the snowman's head.
Great. Good thing you got the glue down. That'll hold it in place.
another
Yeah.
head.
Yeah, you're doing
and
good.
now I just need the M&Ms for the buttons. David! Well, these are my melted snowman cookies.
Those are...
Awful.
Yes.
Horrible. But at least we still have your strawberry Santas.
Well, okay, so about those. The whipped cream was supposed to hold the Santa Claus hat up better than...
Oh, they can't be that bad.
Oh, wait.
Oh, they are that bad.
They're terrible.
What are we gonna give our audience?
I don't know. We've got soggy snowmen and sloppy Santas, and maybe we just need to stick to something we know. Something we know. Boom. Oh, don't do a fist bump. No. Okay. Let's bake.
Ooh.
Look at that. Nailed it.
Yeah, we'll let them decide.
That's right. Ah! The water's hot.